Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 11.3. The question says, Ruxar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter multiplied by 2 meter multiplied by 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? So this is the cabinet which she has to paint, and the measures are given as 1, 2 and 1.5. These are basically the length, breadth and the height. Or you can say breadth, length and height. These are three dimensions, or you can say the three sides of any cuboid. And now you have to find how much surface area did she cover. If we look closely, she has to painted the four walls and the top. And because she is not painting the bottom, so we won't be measuring, or you can say we won't be finding out the total surface area, but the area of four walls plus the area of top. And the area of four walls is known as the lateral surface area. So first of all, let's find the area she has covered. Should be equals to the area of four walls, because she has painted all the walls, plus the area of top. You know that the area of four walls, or you can say the lateral surface area of the cuboid, is twice into length plus breadth multiplied by height, and plus the area of the top. The area of the top would be a rectangle same as the bottom, and if the dimensions of bottom, or you can say the length and breadth of bottom, are 2 and 1, so clearly the top must be of same dimension. This is the basic property of cuboid. It has the same top as its base. So we know the dimensions of its top, and it would be a rectangle, so its area should be equals to length into breadth. So this is how we can find the surface area. Now we just have to substitute the values. Our length is 2, breadth is 1 and height is 1.5 meters, plus our length is 2 and breadth is 1 for the top. Now solving this is 2 multiplied by this is 3 multiplied by this is 1.5 plus this is 2. Now we can further solve it. Either you can remove the 0 and solve it, or you just can, or either you can multiply and then add. It's better to cancel this so that our calculation would be smaller. This can be cancelled 5 times and this will be 3 times. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 plus 2. So this will be 11, and the dimensions are in meter. So the area will be 11 meters square. So this 11 meters square should be the area which Ruxar has covered to paint this cabinet. Thank you.